Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if you get the dreaded network error in CapCut. So generally what happens, since I'm not really sure how to recreate it other than obviously switching off my network, I don't feel like doing that right now, but generally what would happen is it would load these resources forever and then nothing would load up. It would just say network error. No stickers, no effects, no transitions. It would be like you weren't connected to the internet. So generally a VPN will fix this problem up. For those who don't have a monthly subscription to your favorite VPNs like Opera and Nord, what you can do is use the built-in VPN settings in Windows. So you'll go search VPN settings and then add a VPN. So what you want to do is go to VPN Gate. VPN Gate is filled with a bunch of different open networks. If that's the correct wording, I don't know. And basically what you can do is choose from these options. So let's take this one from the United States of America. Copy the name. Let's just minimize this. Put it over here. Oh, put it over there. Get that back. And so we want to use the Windows built-in by VPN provider. Then we are going to move on to the server name or address and paste this over here. The connection name can be whatever you want it to be, something for yourself to remember, whatever. We'll call it RR. So next you want to find out your username and password, and on this website it's always VPN for the username and VPN for the password. Where do you find this information? Just scroll to the top of the page. Oh, one thing I forgot, set your VPN type to Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol, SSTP. So as I said, we're going to scroll to the top here, and here you can see the username is VPN and the password is VPN. So we're going to copy this and paste it here. If the password were different, you would copy that and paste it there. It's always VPN. So yeah, remember my sign-in info, hit save. Now you'll see RR there on the top or whatever you named it, and hit connect. And that's really all there is to it. It's just like connecting on any other VPN, just you have to manually do all the steps. Gross. Okay, so this might take a little while. Now you'll see I got a connection attempt failed. This does happen from time to time, so don't panic. If you see this, you can try and connect again. Highly likely it will fail again. In this instance, what I would recommend doing is looking for another VPN or open network access point. I'm sure that's the word, access point. Look for another access point. Like I say, there's a huge list here of access points. Copy another one in, Most of the stuff you wouldn't need to change. And just try and connect again. So let's take this one here and let's try this again. So close all of that, go to advanced options and go edit. So there we go. We see everything is still the same. All we're going to do is remove our server name and address. Do not type equal 10 billion times like I just did. Paste in your new one. Everything else is still the same. Password, VPN. I don't know why my password has changed to whatever the hell that was supposed to be. It's always VPN. Anyways, hit save and you can just go back out of all of this, hit RR and try and connect again. And you basically just want to keep trying until you get that completing connection. You are connected, and that'll solve your CapCut network error issue. Again, you have many options here, so if you find that you're still having trouble, just try another one. My internet is not great in the first place, so running things through a VPN makes everything just that bit more slow and tedious. But yeah. And there we go. Everything has loaded up. The images are taking 10 years, but you get the gist of it. Everything is working, no network error. And yeah, that'll fix your problem. So if you don't have access to a monthly VPN subscription, this is the way to go.